Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some AI-powered smart recording headphones. And we're gonna go ahead and check these out here and see what they got. Look at this case, it's all shiny. Okay, so let's open it up and hopefully it will connect. I have here, I installed the app that it said, and now I'm at the point where it says connect. So I'm gonna say connect Bluetooth. I guess it's going through like a little tutorial. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, connect. So now it's searching for a device, and now it found this device. I can say connect. It says JIJ 102. Okay, confirm. Uh-oh, what did I do? Connect. Please connect to the Bluetooth headset to the system first. Oh, okay, I have to connect it regularly first. Okay. Connecting to the system. I'm gonna go ahead and get it connected up here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I connected it up on my Bluetooth, and now let me go back into that app again, and I can say connect. Hopefully it's still connected. Okay, and it says we get 3 months of Pro. So now if I record, I can do live transcription, and I think I just push that button now, and it should be analyzing and doing everything as a live analysis. Okay, I put on AI live analysis, and there you go. It's transcribing everything I said, and probably will go ahead and as we do something and have a meeting or have a phone call or something like that, it will go through and come up with the good transcription for this whole thing. So pretty cool. It's actually very accurate. So that is nice. Cool beans. So it does do what it does. And I was playing with it just a second ago. If I went into my like YouTube or something like that and I play something, the sound is really good. So it does sound good too. So if you're just using it for headphones, you're good with that as well. So, and it looks like the case here is one of those charging cases, so I can just go ahead and put it into the case like that, and that. Let's see, that. There we go, and it begins to charge. I don't know if I have to close it. There, it lights up, and it will charge also through the USB-C. So really cool little headphones. If you need some AI-powered smart recording headphones, these seem like good ones to me. Thumbs up.